Mediation is unfair for the people who are injured in car cases, medical malpractice cases, and wrongful death cases. Well, why is that? Let's take a step back. Mediation is a formalized process of settlement negotiations. And what happens is the insurance company for the defendant, the wrongdoer, is present, their attorney is present, and then you and your attorney. That's it. Not the wrongdoer is never present in the mediation because the wrongdoer isn't in control of the money. It's always the insurance company. And so what happens is this negotiation that occurs, the only person who's never been in a mediation before, the only person who is emotionally invested in the case the most is the person that was injured or had a loved one that died, right? They're the ones that are emotionally involved in the case. Well, what about the insurance adjuster? They don't care. They go to these mediations all day. It doesn't make it a big difference. What about the attorney for the defendant? They don't care either. In fact, the more mediations, the more billable hours they get, the better. What about on the plaintiff's side? Well, certainly your attorney, if it's an injury case or a wrongful death case, they care because they've invested their time, money, and energy. And most of us select our clients, right? I only want to work with the people I like. And then obviously the person who has suffered the injury, they're the ones who are suffered the most, right? They've been thinking about their case all the time. This is the one case that they care about. And so for that reason, the dynamic, the pressure is always on the person who was injured, the person who lost the loved one, to want to just resolve it, to give up, to settle. Now, settlement is not a bad thing in itself, and there's lots of reasons why people settle. But what I'm saying is that the mediation process, where all the pressure is on only one side of the case, that means that the insurance company many times will just give you the best offer they can and walk away and let you sit with that. And that's why mediation is unfair.